Hello friends! Is your car showing random misfires, rough idling, or even stalling while driving? If your scanner is giving you code P0369, then your Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit is having an intermittent issue. Ignoring this code can cause serious engine performance problems and even lead to a breakdown. In this video, we'll explain what P0369 means, its symptoms, exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0369 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B Circuit Intermittent, Bank 1. This means the powertrain control module, or PCM, is detecting an unstable or inconsistent signal from Camshaft Position Sensor B on Bank 1. Since the CMP sensor helps regulate ignition timing and fuel injection, this issue can cause erratic engine behavior, misfires, and poor fuel efficiency. Common symptoms of P0369 include check engine light on, intermittent engine stalling or hesitation, hard starting or no start at all, poor acceleration and power loss, misfires and rough idling, and decreased fuel efficiency. If you notice any of these issues, it's time to check your CMP sensor. The Camshaft Position Sensor B, or CMP-B, monitors the camshaft's position to help the PCM control ignition timing and fuel delivery. Now let's talk about some key locations to check. Camshaft Position Sensor B, located on Bank 1, is usually mounted on the engine cylinder head near the camshaft gear or timing cover. The Crankshaft Position Sensor, or CKP, can be found near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. It works alongside the CMP sensor. Also, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any damaged, loose, or corroded wires that could cause intermittent signals. Don't forget to check the timing chain or belt. If it's stretched or misaligned, it can disrupt the camshaft signal. If everything else seems fine, a powertrain control module, or PCM, software update or replacement may be needed. Here's an important tip: sensor placement varies by vehicle model, so check your service manual for exact details. So what are the common causes of P0369? First, a faulty camshaft position sensor, CMP-B. A worn-out sensor may send inconsistent signals. Second, wiring or connector problems. Loose, broken, or corroded wiring can lead to an intermittent connection. Third, a failing crankshaft position sensor, CKP. Since both sensors work together, a failing CKP sensor can trigger P0369. Fourth, low battery voltage or a weak alternator. An unstable power supply can cause signal dropouts. Fifth, timing chain or belt issues. If the timing is off, the camshaft signal may become erratic. And lastly, a PCM malfunction. This is a rare case where the engine control module misinterprets the camshaft signal. Now, how do you fix P0369? Step 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and check for additional errors. Step 2. Inspect the CMP sensor wiring and connectors. Fix any damaged or corroded connections. Step 3. Test the CMP sensor with a multimeter. Replace it if it's faulty. Step 4. Check the crankshaft position sensor, CKP, for possible issues. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt to ensure proper alignment. And Step 6. If everything else checks out, consider testing or reprogramming the PCM. After making repairs, clear the code using an OBD2 scanner and take the car for a test drive to verify the fix. P0369 can cause intermittent performance issues that make driving unpredictable. Fixing it early will keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0036, HO2S Heater Control Circuit, Bank 1 Sensor 2, and P0037, HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 1 Sensor 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.